Bitcoin, BX, closed the weekly candle yesterday and in my opinion it looks pretty good. Here is a weekly chart. In this chart you will see the indicators stochastic RC and OB on balance volume. I always follow OB on weekly charts for BX and altcoins. It still looks good and nothing much has changed. The stochastic RC has crossed bullish recently, coming from oversold, and that is a good sign as well. When I look at price and the weekly candle close, I feel that we are getting closer to move towards the 12K area again, which will be a big resistance. You can see some great buying pressure on the weekly close with a very nice wick to the underside. This means in general that we will see continuation towards the upside in the coming weeks. When we look at on-chain analysis, we see bullish signs as well. On-chain metrics have shown a bullish reversal already a couple of weeks ago, and usually it takes some weeks before price appreciates. It seems to me that we are getting very close to see this appreciation in price. The funding rate on BitMEX is still favoring going long, which is a good sign, and overall sentiment is right now at fear/neutral, which is a lot better than extreme greed we had a couple of weeks back. A lot of signs point towards a higher price in the coming weeks. Another important event is the monthly close that Bitcoin will have in a couple of days. Here is a monthly chart. I am going to keep it very simple. Right now we are above the blue line I drew, which is at $10.593. The line does not seem very clear in the picture, but it is at the $10.593 area. Staying above this will confirm for me that we tested this area as support after recently breaking above it. You can put this line as well around the $10.800 area because this was resistance back in June 2019, but I give more importance to more touches on the monthly chart, and the $10.593 has more touches as resistance and support. Staying above this area, and we will most likely continue heading upwards in the next month, which would mean testing the 12K resistance again, very important level to watch. If we close below it, we will close the gap at $9,600 in my opinion, and maybe even going lower towards the 9K area. On the RC I have drawn a blue line as well, which shows some historic importance. It has been several times resistance during the bear market, and it has shown support as well. On a monthly basis, it means it is very important. Right now we see that it gets very close again. It seems confluent with us staying above the $10.593 area and the buying pressure we saw on the weekly close. If we close above this blue line, I assume we will see a bounce in RC to the upside, which would generally mean a rise in price as well. Ethereum Spadina testnet tomorrow, we will see the Spadina testnet go live for Ethereum, which is very big news if you ask me. This is actually the mainnet for ETH. You can read full post on CryptoFans News, link available in text below.